Hi, I'm super excited and have a lot of energy today. Woo! Welcome back to another video where I stick some gems and stuff on my face because it's fun. I'm gonna be doing this look inspired by HBO's Euphoria. Not that I really watched it. I tried to watch one episode. It was a little bit too much for me, so I just scrolled Pinterest to get the inspiration. Let's just get straight into this. I'm gonna use a different primer today. The Juice Beauty PHYTO-PIGMENTS Illuminating Primer. I guess it's very similar, just more expensive. I have had quite a bit of an issue with my face recently. Allergic reactions breaking out, redness, dryness. It's a nightmare. So I'm trying to strip back what I put on the base layer of my face. Trying to sort that out. Ooh, it's runny. This new foundation, just in case I forgot what I was wanting to use. It's the new Anastasia foundation. It's vegan, and I love that because I'm not vegan. It's also non-comedogenic. I was drawn to this one because it is supposed to be good for sensitive skin. I've got sensitive skin, really bad right now. I got shade 160C. That has some pretty good coverage considering it's supposed to be medium coverage. I like it. Concealer time. I really need to cover everything. Tarte Shape Tape, my favorite of all time. Fair neutral. Let's just try and remove as much of my face as I possibly can right now. Let's contour the nose because I want to draw as much attention away from my skin as possible. I'm going to use the Fenty Matte Stick in Amber. I really want to lock this down, so we're going to powder the entire face to make this last all day because it's morning and we're just going to powder a lot. I'm going to use the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. Shake off the excess. Oh, that's too much excess. I'm gonna not bake, not necessary. Couldn't be bothered, but bronzing, yes. The Butter Bronzer, it's a real good one. I'm gonna use the Jouer palette. We're gonna use the shade Sunkissed. What an appropriate name. I sure do feel sun-kissed. I'm gonna use this itty bitty Honest Beauty cream blush in the shade Rose Pink. Just dab that onto my cheeks. I don't even know why I use cream products. Pulled it together, looks fine now. We're just gonna move on. OFRA highlighter. Woo! It's the Star Island highlight. It's pretty great. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do my brows. You probably don't need to watch. So I'm gonna go do my brows and then come back in a sec. So we're gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35V palette. We're gonna do a pink look with this. Then jazz it up with the Rhinestones. I got these from Michaels. I'm just gonna start with this shade here. I'm using this palette for the mirror. This giant palette does not have a mirror. I'm now going to take this shade here and put that on the inner and outer third, leaving this part here. Whew, that took some time. I did go ahead and put that same color underneath my eyes. Now I want to take a lighter shade to go into the center to really halo it out. I'm going to go in with this pink shade here. I want it to be a little bit more... so I'm going to take this Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop in Ladybird. Nice and shiny. There we have that. I'm now gonna go do line mascara and lashes and then be back. See ya soon. I'm gonna do that now. This is it. I went with a liquid winged liner. I'm just gonna stick some gems under my eyes and near my eyebrows and call it a day. I have have just stuck all of these on my face. I did that using my Jouer eyelash glue. You can really stick anything on your face with eyelash glue. Was it worth it? Can I really go anywhere looking like this? Feeling super glamorous. This is the kind of thing I would wear to an aerial gig. Not every day. For lips, I'm gonna use the OFRA liquid lipstick in Nude Potion. I feel like it might go well with the eye color. I'm gonna go over the top of that with the Sparkling Please Shiny Gloss to make it look a little extra. Such a strange feeling having these things on my face. I mean, I can move my face and they're not going anywhere because they're glued, but it's weird. Would recommend trying it though, it's a pretty fun time. Setting spray, I always forget, but not today. I need a fan or something. This is it. This is the final look. Feeling rather shiny. I'm not really sure where you could really wear this, but by all means, wear it places. I like it. I do have to go to work real soon, and I'm thinking I probably shouldn't go looking like this. If you like this look, like the video, and follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You're great. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna go. Bye!